Hello viewers, we use YT Studio to see our channel analytics. But after some time of its use, the YT Studio become very slow. So the solution is very simple. On screen please. Now let me go and open YT Studio. It's open and you can see it's taking time in dashboard content or analytics, and after a long time it displays the data. So we can fix this issue or make it a quicker. Let's go to your phone settings, and in phone settings just scroll down till you find apps. Now click on apps and once again scroll down till end. Now you are watching YT Studio. Just click on it, and when it appears scroll down till you find storage. And now click on storage, clear cache, and you will see about data will become free. Now click back and also open YouTube and scroll down the same way and come to storage, and here also use clear cache but not clear data because it will log you out. Now if I click YT Studios, and now you can see that YT Studio is perfectly faster working. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.